Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Kings and Queen, Lion and Lioness, big up on yourself, anyone there. Welcome to Linefoot TV, so give thanks to life, health, and strength. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health scene. Yes, man, if you're new to the channel, please, I'm asking you to like the channel, the content, so may I say, and please consider to subscribe and click the bell. Welcome. Yes, man, so, yeah, man, how much love and gratitude. That's it. Viewers and subscribers, in this episode, we're going to talk a little about the music business. We know we only hear it all a while, you know what I mean, but this is a veteran artist now. You see me? Yes. Veteran artist. Everton blender. I say right now, I feel like, you know, if I go back to him painting, give up the music. And this is an interview that was conducted 2 years ago by Teach Dem. Big up Teach Dem. You know what I mean? I'm a fan of Teach Dem. I listen to Teach Dem every day. I get inspired by the veteran artists them. And to hear them story where them go through, you know, the struggles. Or them started out as a musician. So big up Teach Dem, you're doing a great job. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to make one hear Everton blender. I said there's a little snippet. I only can go Teach Dem, go watch the full reasoning. Zin? Yes, man. We are forward.
I watch them on the Jamaica represent for Linefoot TV. They are real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Linefoot Patriots out there.
Yes, man. Welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Yes, man, Jamaica, the struggle is real, the fight is real, but stay firm on the battlefield. See, my viewers and subscribers, now let nobody put you down or bring any doubt in your mind. Go for your goals, shoot towards the goals of your dreams. See, yes, man, so with no further delay, hear what Everton blender has to say.
There's some serious time about the system. The system no normal, not tell the truth, Teach Dem. If me did know, say, I saw the music can. I go be a painter same way, man, because I be fifth man. Yeah, man,
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, when you hear it from yourself, from the veteran artist Everton blender, this man has sing numerous hits. Lift up your heads and hold it up high. My song named Bob Marley. The man say, I'm a family man, working for my children. The man have, as me say, numerous hits. Me grew up listening to Everton blender. And for here, the man I say this right now, shocking. That means, who feels it knows, you know, the man have experience. And in the interview, the man said the business corrupt, gatekeeper, in blacklisted. And we don't know why, but the man will pave the way. Zine can come and say, he may go back to him painting. 2 years ago, I decided to say, yo, I should have just go back to him painting and love music. But, you know, I'm fans and keep him motivated. You see me as some viewers and subscribers. But yeah, man, I saw the system set, you know. I saw it set, so the music business is dangerous, man. Dangerous, my viewers and subscribers. But as an artist, as myself, I have similar experience, you know. We just have to stay hold the faith and stay firm in the mind, because it can be derailing at times and depressing. You see me? But for here, Everton blender, at one point Teach Dem after I ask the man, say, Everton blender, me I listen to you and you really go back to painting. And the man I say, yeah, man, you see it? Judge, I tell my viewers and subscribers, it's wicked out there, man. Yeah, man, he also mentioned about the corruption within the artists, them, you know. DJs, radio presenter, they pay all the business on the radio station. And a long time all these things are going on, you know. So, from me personally to hear it from a veteran artist, affirms, you know, and confirms, so, yo, I saw the thing set. If you don't have your money right now at this age at 2023, if you don't have your money as an artist, it's wicked by you, man. So, if you just have the mindset for investing in your save some money, and just give them it, you know what I mean? Because you guarantee if you make it back right now. Look at Valiant. Just bust what they and the man take over the world. See? So if you have the money, save it up and just try to do your marketing the right way. Your campaign, your promotion the right way. Execute it the right way so you don't fail. You see me? Yes, so I think them and let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Once more again, big up Teach Dem, big up Everton blender. The man sings so much massive hits and still a struggle. The man say I struggle. All the thing him get out of the music is a house, you know, a big house. It's so bad that someone have left Jamaica and live a foreign. Migrated overseas with his family. And all his kids them now are in music who now sing or play piano or keyboard, you know, and guitar, you see me, and produce. So it's a good look, but the man say right now, you know, him love the music and him fans him keep him motivated at times, you see me? Yeah man, but the music business, man, tell you, dangerous. You know, sometimes you have talent and a bit of corruption. You see me? At one point the man say, yo, next thing the man say, somebody tell him, say, you see, all you are lucky, you slip through, you know. So what that tell you say? The man say, somebody look at him and tell him, say, lucky, you slip through. You see me? And I can relate to that. You know what I mean? 2018 I was told, you know, the syndicate them say, them can't let me choose so easy because me just come with the big song who feels it knows. And them know say a big song a hit song. But through them they get nothing out of me. And when the brother said that to me, I was like, really? But me nah, and I like, you get me? The man said, no, them I'm a part of the syndicate, you know. The person will tell me that is part of the syndicate. And he said it took him years to become a member of the syndicate. You see me? And the man them said, boy, they get me, them can't let me choose so easy. So him have to work with them, I say, and me pay him for a service, you know. I paid for a promotional package. You see it? And that I was told, and I said, John also, Everton Blender come seal it up. And I know that's how the game set for a long time still, but it wicked out the man, wicked upon the young artists, including myself as an upcoming artist, we are trying, you know, for years. I have the talent, but talent alone now gonna if you don't have your money. You see me, as what Major Markle said, enough talented artists out there, you know. But them money not enough. Yeah man, but just let me know where you think my viewers and subscribers are. If you have similar experience, can share it in the comment section also, you know. Once again, big up Teach Dem for providing such great content, you know, from the veteran artists them. So we the fans can, you know, learn them history and where they start, how they started, the struggle them go through and this and that, you know. Yeah man, so the next one I'm going to touch upon Terry Ganzi's story, interesting as well, is it? Yes man, so that is it, you know. I did just want to share it because, as we say, I watch Teach Dem channel a lot, every day at work, you know, and I get inspired, is it? Yeah man, but big up yourself man, Mr. Blender. I know I love to do a combination with Everton Blender. I'm going to reach out to him still, you know, because so you go. You see me? Yeah man, you never know, you see me? You know what I mean? So, the man share his story, say he used to walk much miles just to get to a studio for doing recording, you know? And him get him opportunity. You see me? Hungry days, sleepless night. You know, could have lose him life. And the man want to give him gun, him run back a country, you know? However, he was a humble person, man of peace. Is it? But my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell, please and thanks. And it's not easy out there, sticky out there, you know? Yeah man, a lion foot. Boom bang, big up on yourself, stay safe. Blessed Friday.
Me a beg you no fi stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please. Put on the gun, stop the back up, bye. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.